All right, everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's crypto gem that I have to share with you guys is a gaming crypto gem. It is truly a gem, and I think that the market is sleeping on this gem. It here lies before you. It is called Space Falcon. The ticker is Fcon. We have a market cap of a super tiny $265,000. That's right, $250,000 for the market cap and a fully diluted market cap of just under 2 million with a 24-hour trading volume of $99,000. And we've got a circulating supply of 2.6 billion tokens with a total supply of 20 billion tokens. So we got 14% of the tokens in circulation. For some of you that might be a concern as far as dilution, but these are gaming projects, and sometimes these play to earn games, they need a lot of tokens to support their ecosystem and support the sustainability of that ecosystem that they are building. Okay, so that's why sometimes you see the multi-billion token supply, right? But in any event, we can see that this token trades on the Solana blockchain. You can see that it came out back in January of 2022, so around about 12 months ago at the end of the last bull run, and it's just been in a downtrend ever since. And you can see here it seems like it's bottoming out around this area where it is right now. All right, so it did reach lows of .04, and now we're at .09, right? So I do think that there is a lot of upside and a lot of growth for this asset. And right now, $1,000 will get you 10 million tokens. Yes, 10 million tokens. Now we'll get into the price predictions shortly, but I just want to get into what Space Falcon is before we go any further. So, Space Falcon is an intergalactic metaverse featuring the classic space shooter game and premium sci-fi NFTs from the cosmos and beyond. All right, that's just high level, okay? So, the Falcon metaverse Space Falcon takes virtual assets a step further with the introduction of planets, spaceships, and galaxies. NFTs for in-game items means players literally own and control what they buy, earn, or craft. So this goes beyond having to prove the item's rarity. It opens the door to infinite scalability. The Falcon mission. Space Falcon has created this classic space shooter game in 3D to run in browser. So the game that they're working on is browser based. All right, this incentivizes players by integrating the blockchain reward system. All right, so if we take a look at the Falcon website, I really like the presentation of their website. It's very clean, very precise, and very professional. All right, you can see you can grab this coin from KuCoin, Gate.io, and Radium. So you can get it on centralized exchanges and decentralized exchanges. All right, now you can see here these guys have about 200,000 Twitter followers. So I checked their Twitter and it's about that. Yeah, it's 191,000 Twitter followers. Guys, that is more than LCX. Yeah. Space Falcon, the game hub scaling Web3 gaming experience and revolutionizing virtual adventures. Fcon. All right. Now you can take a look at a sneak preview of one of their spaceships. This loads. I'm trying to get this to load. Those are some pretty nice graphics for a in-browser based game. That is really awesome. Wow, this has 3,000 views. So there are a lot of people watching Space Falcon. Here's a shot at their model rendering for their spaceships. Really cool stuff they have going on here. I like how they're developing. I really like this. I like the look and feel of the game. It's really got a classic AAA space shooter vibe there. Really, really awesome. All right, so we take a look back at the website. We can continue on, and we can see here the Falcon metaverse. Space Falcon takes virtual assets a step further with the introduction of planets, spaceships, and galaxies. NFTs for in-game items means players literally own and control what they buy, earn, or craft. All right, so you can take a look at the artwork there. It's really, really cool. The Falcon mission. Space Falcon has recreated the classic space shooter game in 3D. All right, a lot of this was already stated on their CoinMarketCap page. All right, galaxy ownership. Players will be able to own galaxies, planets, and spaceships and other extraterrestrial assets, which will be required at later stages of the gameplay. Intergalactic assets will be tradable across in-game marketplace to further enhance their utility. The Falcon Metaground. Falcon crews gather on the neutral planet called Metaground to socialize with other players and trade mission-critical assets. Look at the investors, all right? The Solar Eco Fund, all right? Maven Capital, OKX. You know OKX is about to launch their own blockchain, all right? Good Games Labs, Basics Capital, Partners, Solana, Stardust, Solace, Crypto.com, all right? A lot going on with Space Falcon, and I'm just surprised at the price. Yeah, I'm really surprised at the price, and the fact that you could spend $1,000 to get 10 million tokens of a legit project like this with that supply, or with that circulating supply, is insane. And we'll get into the price predictions here shortly. Just follow me. I'm almost there. All right. So, as I mentioned before, very clean presentation with the website. I really like what I'm seeing here, and I checked their Medium just to see what was going on, and you can see that these guys do have a launch pad planned. They're planning on launching a launch pad. Yeah, a launch pad is coming soon. So I tried to go to it from their website, but you can see it's coming soon. All right. So Falcon launch. The Space Falcon launch pad is coming. Falcon Launch is a launch pad for Solana exclusive gaming projects with excellent strategic partners like Radium and Cyclos that aims to provide a selection of the industry's most creative gaming finance being built on the Solana ecosystem. Okay, so interesting stuff going on here with Space Falcon, guys. Now, that was from an older Medium post, so I checked a more recent Medium post, which was published at the end of January 2023, and you can see some of their recent accomplishments, what with the user interface. Really nice. Really like that. You can customize the avatars and whatnot, your spaceships. All right. Now, what I also thought was interesting here was that they are focusing on quality, giving you a high quality gaming experience. All right. Now here, where they say what's next, I thought that was really interesting because they talked about upcoming partnerships with big players in the industry. All right. Other than game development, we will be seeking more partnerships with other potential startups and the big players in the industry. As most of you know, talks about switching the blockchain are official, and it's relevant for us more than ever. For that reason, we will continue to analyze, consult, and discuss the best onboarding options for Space Falcon. To avoid the rumors, more clarity regarding the specific chains we are addressing and are willing to make a deal with will be published in the near future. Okay? So what this means is that they are considering switching blockchains from Solana. So I don't think that that's a bad thing. It means to me that they're looking forward and they're looking at what they're going to need to make Space Falcon successful and more scalable and more robust, right? And overall providing the best user experience for the gamers of the Space Falcon metaverse, right? So what comes to my mind, number one, is Polygon, Binance Smart Chain, or Aptos. Those are the top three, and I think it might be Polygon, but we'll see. Like I said, I don't want to spread rumors. We'll just have to wait to see what they say. So would that impact you buying the token today? I would say no, right? I would say no, all right? But if you do decide to invest today, I'm already invested. I'm going to keep tabs on my investment in Space Falcon and follow them, right? Because I think that there's a bright future for Space Falcon should they stay on Solana or they switch to Polygon or Binance Smart Chain. I think that there's a bright future for this project, and they're also going to be offering a launch pad as well. So they're working on a launch pad, so that's a big deal too. So you'll need the Space Falcon token to participate in those launch pads, those projects launching from their launch pad. So there's so many different things going on with Space Falcon. That's why I wanted to bring it to you guys' attention, because this price is insane, and in a bull run, I don't think it's going to stay there. It's at $250,000 market cap, right? You know, this is the bear market, guys, and me being in my second bear market, you know, this is when you take the risks, when people aren't looking at these cryptos and these projects. This is when you get in on them, you know. So whoever bought this dip around here, around .04, they bought that dip like a boss. Salute, all right, because they're up double by now, and I think they've got way more upside ahead. So where do I think Space Falcon can go? All right, so if the market cap is $250,000 right now, and let's say 10, you got 10 million Fcon, and Space Falcon were to go to even just a $25 million market cap, that would be a 97x return. Yes. So Space Falcon is one of those cryptos right now that could realistically reach a 100x without even going to a $50 million market cap. It could 100x your money, guys. Yeah, real talk. So you could turn $1,000 into $96.2 thousand should the current tokenomics remain the same. All right, now let's just say something crazy happens and Space Falcon goes to a $100 million market cap. You're looking at a 380x return on your money. That would be turning $1,000 into $384,000. I totally think that's possible. Now let's just say by that time we've got 5.2 billion tokens in circulation. That's still 194x. So even if the current circulating supply doubles and Space Falcon reaches a $100 million market cap, that's still 194x. Mind blown at the opportunity. I look at stuff with opportunity glasses and less with emotion. I'm looking at this logically, like, all right, when the market flips bullish again and the gaming narrative picks up, and hell, Space Falcon could release an update or some crazy alpha that just gets the market so excited about Space Falcon. They said they got upcoming partnerships. They're considering switching chains. Their game development is going. That's running, right? Okay, and then we got potentially more exchange listings. What if it gets on Binance, right? Just never know. You just never know. When you get into these cryptos early, a little bit can go a long way, guys. So for some of you, 1,000 might be a lot, maybe not, right? But even with $100, you can still buy 1,000,000 tokens. All right. So I think that the risk to reward with Space Falcon, I think the worst as far as downside is probably like quad 0, 4, 5, right? So the worst this could do right now is if you bought it, is that it dumps 50%. At that point, I would just double my bag. I would, because it's gonna go back up. Not financial advice, financial awareness, but the probability that it will go back up should it dump back down to quad 04 is very high, right? It'll recover, all right? I don't know what time period that will be, but it would recover, all right? And so, yeah, even if this just gets back to half a penny, I mean, the gains are sick, guys. The gains are really, really sick, and the opportunity is amazing. So, like I said, even at 50 million, no, let's just go back to a 20 million. Even if 20 million, see, 20 million gets dumped into Space Falcon, it still won't even be at a penny. I'll let you process that. Even when Space Falcon hits a $20 million market cap, it won't be at a penny, and you will still almost 100x your money if the current tokenomics would still remain, all right? And also, what I noticed on their Twitter is that these guys are burning tokens. Look, end of January, they just burned 1 billion tokens. Gone forever. Yeah, so they are burning tokens, all right, guys? So, in my opinion, Space Falcon is a true gem. I am invested, and I may buy more, all right? And I wish you guys the best in this bear market, because I am taking this time seriously, and I'm finding cryptos that are like this. 98% down. Has nothing to do with the company at all. The company is still going. All right? They're still going, they're still developing, they're still working hard. That's what you want to see in the bear market. And I am a fan of Space Falcon and what they have going on. And with that being said, I'm going to follow Space Falcon now. All right. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you like me finding gems like this, truly undervalued gems like this, please smash up the likes, and I will be back soon with another crypto gem. Be sure to check out the free DeFi Moneyverse Telegram link below. And be sure to check out the Patreon if you want to get the drop on my moves in the crypto bear market, my buys, my sells, and also get access to videos before they go public here on YouTube. All right, guys, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Again, smash up the likes. If you enjoyed this content, you want to see more, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell for notifications. All right, guys, have an awesome weekend. Deuce Crypto out.